Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we've detected suspicious behavior on ChatGPT. So let's get into it. If you have a second phone number, you can use it to link to your ChatGPT account. You can also use a friend or family member's phone number. If you are encountering the error we've detected suspicious behavior when logging into ChatGPT, you need to contact OpenAI support for help. Go to help.openai.com. Click on the chat bubble on the bottom right. Click on Messages. Ask the bot a question. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.